Hi guys, my name is John DeMello. This is Ideas GH
This is your girl Miss Force. And you know, seminar first to say keep watching Ideas GH
Yo, Ideas TV, you are full of ideas, you are full of creativity. Ideas TV, we're too sure from one Canada.
Yo, I bet him call me Kofi that I record we will move and pimple a pan and Ideas GH Move.
Well, how the fireman Mescal layer representing for Ideas TV, you don't know. And we say 10 shot can call more fire.
One shot, is it? I'm them Dempsey and I represent it for Ideas, is it? The best and the best and the best in if you come attack the Ghana, watch out at the Dempsey. One shot, crime free, one time.
So the mommy and I'm a come at time AM, so don't be late. I dey miss it all the time. You could kill me, make what up, Charlie. This is your boy Mule. Once again, gangster, yo, keep on watching Ideas TV. I mean, keep it locked. Mad love. Phoebe, I'm
keep watching Ideas TV. Thanks for supporting us. Bye, going up to the top without you.
Yeah, this is Kwakesi and we're rocking live on Ideas GH TV.
Good evening and welcome to Ideas GH TV. Today is the 13th. In the back of the end is now contemom. Nancy na yamana okodo Ghana na ama obia pede obia is in a rush. Yeah, today is Thursday and then you are welcome to Showbiz Bars. Yeah, Showbiz Bars right here on Ideas GH TV. Thank you for joining us. Start joining now. Please kindly like what you're watching and also share. Share. About to put a comment. A comment is also another tag on Yang Kubi. So just tag a friend to let a friend know to tag another friend so that we can all watch what's going on right here at this hour on Ideas J TV. Now show on here Showbiz Bars. I'm also Amide Jumadi Brown. My name is Sika Woman. And on this show, we talk about everything entertainment. We bring you all the latest just all the exclusives, all the events, BBR music premiere. It's our BBR just hit us up on by sending us a message on Facebook as Ideas TV, or you can also visit my page on Facebook at Sika Woman, and then you can send me a message. Now we saw it to my about show no do another day and your business and also a bottom now as link us up and then we'll get talking. Now we are sorry we couldn't bring you the live telecast of Showbiz Bars on Tuesday. Technical hitches here and then so I want to so anything to make you guys comfortable, anything to make what we are showing to you appeasing. No, we do anything possible to make that happen for you. Now and then in some doors on there on I'm there Tuesday and the man bamba my just near into the one man some no be but then thank God and I've got some interesting videos for you as well. Stay tuned and just keep watching us. Tag a friend and then share it and also comment and then just get interactive with us. Now you see young Morocco. Now young first story, and I think that this week we've seen some couple of videos circulating on social media, and it has got Ghanaians talking. Ghana for my kasa kasa, Ghana for the pensam kakao. It's now found, but I yanka. Me tell you what's a broken heart actually be. Hey, children, young girls, sisters, a broken heart actually be that. Sorry, Mala nim the way or me name say or your cocoa and I do your tuntum and as though I shall police at her black and immigration. Me name the way and the color tint no man but whatever the case is, no, so broken heart actually brother sister on your share. The life when I go through her. The woman I there wab phone be some way into Broken hearts do normal. We heard about that all the fights that happened, drama and no nyama and sembebre. Nina yete. And also some news we saw so or circulated was somewhere last week there prophecy in Sensembi na they no no video ni na yomo. But then first I have this video for you which is from the camp of ground up Charlie, yo, MP Charlie, why I said I'm going with them ground up Charlie ahead, guys, And one of them, that is Kamina MP. Oh no, he happened to be on Tim Westwood. Now that Tim Westwood also is on BBC out there, or host rappers and like superstars from various countries and continents now walk and then they go and show what they've got, you know, show what you got, and they'll come in and people say, oh, let me also go and show what I got. Now, Team Westwood now, because we've got a couple of Ghanaians at alcohol. We have Sarkodie was there somewhere around 2011, 2012, 2013 he was there. And also on an eye there up everywhere we have the likes of Strongman had been there on 2017. We also have Kwesi Arthur in 2019, and I think that that particular 2019, that was last year, and we had a couple of Ghanaian rappers I want to show one prowess we have we also have Manifest, and also called 2019, also have Medical. I think the one that is very fresh on Mankasa personally, you know, on my mind is Medical's own. I think me follow it, and I really loved it because of how with his content of the freestyle, he was selling Africa to the world. But as an story, and I want us to watch the video of Kwame IMP, Team Westwood, and they discuss her. No one strong guys. No, I that the last time the men in our hand, the team in our had. So just watch this video.
I go be better than a T-bed. Cause I for feed on my family, my G's, put my post on hold. Small time we go give them letter lights, pa. Anywhere we go massacre. And I'm over, yaba. We go show them what they she is sakaba, yeah. I'm over, yaba. We go show them what they she is.
Yeah, so you watch that video. I am coming MP, MP Charlie Wire. That I saw them. I maybe could be a net I saw them. Oh no, cut him Westwood today. Jama oya or one and also issue business so attach him kaka. You know, last day on that I say young prophet na your Ghana and Ankasi and the one to Fante. Today be a new year and I the baby day and but now was the artist, the most celebrity, the most star, obey a day, the man what's that actually Kaya Bonia, a hair burning po was I'm not making I'm not American case, I'm not Shatawale what will Kwame Eugene Norm, even when the shade winging now with the BI one. And then I think the latest knows also success music, Aquabua. The guy knows some voice even though the chica was not the man pay and not for the chamber. Charlie, me I stand though, I stand. I don't fall, I stand. Also no you prophecy, yet a prophecy but also about him there. We say be a person. Why person no match it? I don't know. Instance I will what about whatever that the prophet said or happen or also what about clear the way I also feel about it now. So let's just watch this video from Akwabwa, and then we'll get back on the story.
Hi everybody, I trust Ubia Hoye. My attention has been drawn to a video circulating on social media about Osofo Oshebin Komsofo Uchi. Me can't say I am fine, I'm doing well. And same way that last year October, my papa Apostle Francis Amakwata saw this, and then he has already prayed. I respect say God reveals to redeem, and we actually also and so and maybe also for one so no mestre say also be one empire. But then wherever you are, be and person be who say I am fine. Me nyo obi abone na enyasim bia aba atwam enti no me emfa na asem em obi a meka bia emfa ho me de obi ase obi aso emwa ene mpaibo me de munyina sinamisha.
Yeah, so that's it. Ono na what one gasa bit from the horse's own mouth. I am a kobo na nkasa waka. The way I feel about it, as the way I can say, "Tia, some okay na." What's the last year to October? You know, and the prophet, you know, on so be a nankasa ne sofo. the daddy, you want the daddy, it's spiritual daddy. I can't channel until no. What parents, you know, so also so say I'll couple fan, I want a check in the voice, and I don't know the we are, and the craft, and I don't know the we are tonight. Also a feeling now, yeah, you can also pray. So whenever you go down on your knees to pray and say a word of prayer for a couple as well. Now, because also on you be a born. Now, sister, what actually, obey your bonus and actually castle. We are so cross what our issue. So you pray for a couple need your prayers seriously because we don't want to lose such a person in the industry. And Paddy Eberson, so what happened some years back, you know, like Moses, and we don't want that to happen again. But I guess I'm filler for you guys. Filler for you. When you don't know all about Ghana. Hey, come here, I about to cry. And when the man got some pedal bent, and the filler and the baby, I'm making a filler, no night there. Wash it. Me Panamacano because I want to shut down here, into no, but Floyd Mayweather, you want money, sister, money, no enemy dinner. Quan watch and got 18 million share. Money go flow, he's coming to Ghana and business money be or business bina or inviting or the Ghana your millionaires na billionaires one underground. I want one more. On your ma one in 1 2 by 4 kita the more Christ la cars now. She a papa for na shisha business owners na nkasa original ones original millionaires no she what shisha ho no but one but then Mayweather will be coming to Ghana that is somewhere in April. But by April so I make bet month I make bet month into no them now. I know the money no be flow no the man cause so offer me sika so na oh yeah she everything bibi obesibia after that you know so you want to whatever activities about do you know the way I make catch no ya filler you want that me ko rubber man ma ko pep special filler be yentin baby should I Showbiz bars right here on Ideas TV. Now back to the studio had you know me strong men strong men share I want into the message there say I want to say ya bola bra say e jiwu di there ya bola bra yes ha feel kuma ha me fa GPS address oh no me fa nka ho but ideas had it e feel kuma e direct ideas je chire obia ni bibia and then yeah so magic yete nka ache ye be bisa no bibia wa kwa akashe magic
sika
Afishapa. And then maso ma aka magic na afishapa ni bi.
Afishapa. Bia cool bia.
Bia cool. Na aka shay.
What?
Last week Saturday yan
last week na
magic so all about magic na magic hey.
Fe baby kaka.
Why show?
What?
Why show?
But maba.
Aba na aba.
Thursday na maba.
Baby how can no is customer because I said, "No, I'm
this is and Chiman is scared. I come back though.
I
come back though, but we are fine. Baba.
See, as coronavirus, what man?
This is how we are saying.
That's how. Chada, what our press can't. It's a press can't make dance and your coronavirus now.
This is also more phone to come.
Oh yeah, serious.
This is I'm
yeah, what the travel ban out to
but yeah, what fun the man.
Now weekend, how has it been for you?
Oh, just the more miss what na just pressure kakra wom na break kakra wom na ni nyina yeah ni nyina anti. I think never be fine.
Be fine, bibi abe cool. Salasi.
Osika.
What's up?
Everything cool, bibi abe boko.
This about the na artist bi na ma eh. Artist so this say I hear them they say na artist na ma na chide sika shisha ho. It is kind of I'm this Kasam now.
You define the sika. You are the sika. You define the sika. So yeah. So working with an artist on channel sika, you define the sika.
Oh, say artist, and no one no main sika ni be.
Oh, maybe.
So promo na do your sika.
Oh, be more sika, be more so you are just helping the brand.
Oh, me do besides magic do no name. Also the offend appreciate magic. Appreciation is this over. Na Showbiz bars ido. I shall for one so one dem that so magic na not Showbiz bars had day. I was this on your payola or your appreciation. This is
payo. Ni the same. But I think on your bad and kakra or drop on kakra. Say you're going to hear into your drop on kakra.
or drop on kakanka. Yeah. So thank you all for watching. Me when any views no so keep sharing and then keep tagging and then for comments and so bra videos na here show no so no. If you have any comments be our one. Yeah, Fabra na yen na ade na yen read them out. And I think I have a couple of Boama Solomon. Yeah, Boama Solomon, you are watching us and lots of people, all of you guys watching us. We have what also. You are watching us. So keep your comments coming. Now so yen here then yen read the one now. And also don't forget to today after this show no go and join our Facebook page. They be I'm a catcher one. Because we have something special coming on. I've told you, so go and do just that. And then Magic.
Yes, you can.
The last time I shared that was Saturday, and I maybe Selassie about VGM at High Life artist, no High Life song and High Life artist. High Life song, there shall be.
If you can give me the category.
No category no a high life song no. We have
we have
we have bra, we have
Oh, okay.
So what I need.
But I know for me checking on the list, you know, I think I love Kojenchi and
bra can promise
and Kojenchi. The song is very mature song and for me I think I'll vouch for that song. For high life song of the year.
But sound them confuse na Kenata.
Oh, this for the part. Me, that's what I like. I feel that's what I feel. I feel that.
I feel that, but people are also saying that they don't really feel the high life vibe in things fall apart.
Oh no, also beyond the although the song is a high life song, but with me, that's what I like about. I see brass a real high life song. That's a matured one. Song. Yeah, the way I've watched the match video no. And the way we feature Kojenchi and the song a tune the
structure and
the video is have a very nice video. Video now.
Yes.
If you can promise in the past.
On your chin
simple video with simple song. If you in the party na Kojenchi and you such a beautiful song. So for me, I'll vote for that song as high life song.
High life song of the year. Okay. Into on Magic Nadrian channel or on watch Nadrian. And so also chawajo also send a message high life category no about song they feel there obetum waje why high life song of the year what this year VGM is no then me pedi discuss this two videos BIA Selassie
yo ska
come in MP I share video no
on Team Westwood
on Team Westwood in some me pedi I will say your own.
Okay, to me personally, I see nothing wrong with, the alcohol. But what he did, or a poor. Say, Nagasa feel there like or a rap, Nagasa or a year.
But only I know a rapper.
If it feels like, Nagasa feels like, okay, I'm doing rapper, then or a poor. But we all know this guy is, a singer. And you know, a singer or a rapper. First, he used to, at first he used to rap. That was back then. But in showbiz industry now. Obia hunde like Kwame 9P, how do you call it? A rapper or a singer rather.
Okay.
Ninjumpi or a singer now.
Yes, I'm out for girls.
I'm out for girls.
Or the bad film, or rising, or more rising.
Yes, you do. Featuring Kofi Kenata and Christiata on that.
Party. That is
party. Yeah, party. A very nice song. You're no boy no then or a singer or a rapper. So we shouldn't blame him.
Na singer na rapper
no,
the person, rapper so ko na what for na ajatu na
connect. The person who allow the guy to even go the comfort. But serious.
So you are impressed with what he did?
Oh, Team Westwood, come on. How could you do this to Kwame 9MP? The guy is not a rapper.
Hey.
Okay, now he was on tour with girlfriend and Kim Promise.
Okay.
So you can promotional, all of a sudden the video just came out. The guy was blowing on fire. Them go on fire, guys. Isa Kabarina album. Nollywood
Come on,
movie.
then
Nollywood
you'll
movie.
be the title.
No.
Okay, so let me hold you there. Okay, yeah, I would like to read some messages via Wabano. This is from Kwabena. Also, send a message. I add where you are sending us a message from. Where you are watching us from. Maybe if Congo, China, Wuhan, and Wuhan, Ghana from Wuhan. At least what quarantine one hour. What should I GTV or digital when any canker. So this message is from Kwabena Bessa Dan. So what's a website legacy or kodo element kwesi esiedu. Yes, also I they enjoy enjoy and also tag a friend now friend also enjoy. Man, you're selfish at it. Also from elements now, because I think okay, you're like about highlight song of the year. And also Kofi Kanata all the way to move. Not I wanna you feel there things fall apart to deserve the highlight song of the year. Okay, thank you. And also Abraham Curtis, also there. Obroni Moses, you do I'm Curtis from Kwesi Minton. Okay, big shouts to all Kwesi Minton guys need now the boys and girls inside the ghetto and they want maybe I was we see you guys and we appreciate you, so keep on watching. We've got exciting stuff for you. Magic. Hey guy, listen, man, reading the message. Okay, Kwabena dance so Kwabena Bessa dance. Okay, what's happening? Oh, Kwalebu.
Wow.
Oh. Me Ghana why that na say me should ndiga kenke one. It's no ama me Ghana na say but shout outs to you guys, all our guys and girls now watching and all people from Accra, from Kumasi and even our Tamale fans now. So big shout outs to you all. Thank you for watching. Keep on watching. Magic.
Sika.
Walk out MP now some dancers so.
And I said Tim West shout out to Mama.
BBC Extra.
Baby. Normal. You see, platform they are big.
Very big.
And he said normally say your platform gonna say some one. It's to sometime we are not akwakoto. And he be a permanent MP. Won't blame him too much. Actually, the guy is not a rapper. I mean, and oh yeah.
That is the one.
Yeah, sometimes I know you I rap 1 or 2 then you mean of feature. What they say now? What they know about Steve?
Yes,
on the honor, you're singing. Say now what they not on? Or you rap, rap singing, be woman.
Rap, yeah.
Oh, I am bad, but you see, you should don't fault. No man, you shouldn't blame him too much there. Maybe I'll cry one quiet, but the platform is a big platform. Maybe that
is the issue.
Maybe funny enough, I'm preparing or quiet.
That is another issue. Why?
How? I don't know. Call. When you know, invite you. Well, I don't know what kind of abedi. Because such a grant search interview like that, or they prepare muka obey day. But I don't know if you are corner or corner prepare on that. If you are management on corner for the corner.
Who doesn't know that Tim West with alcohol a free?
I didn't America there. What about arrangements and 1 year and son? Because them video here and only pop up social media. Cameron P or Tim West.
And when someone go what's there? Akwana nyari into all my Tim Westwood and upload the full video now on YouTube.
Oh, anyone nyari.
Because my Tim Westwood on YouTube. My watch
in your first time Ghana artist or David in your call.
David or Ghana. I want you for one and
any person to wall or to know.
What's the MP? Why are they on?
MP was won't throw to my national and throw to
okay, but the reason why MP, I feel that most of the people are also saying on social media there won't try to say that not the bad time a broken heart issue in the band.
Oh, the broken heart.
Oh yes, so people went.
But me, Ghanaians, I'm shocked at you. Ghanaians in Suban, this broken heart issue it was trending. I was very disappointed.
I mean, I didn't even. That's why I didn't even.
You should be. I don't want to talk about it. There. We have to discuss about it. And we have talked about it almost for the past 4 days.
Oh, yeah, come someone.
Which even some of even 1 hour newscasters, radio station, don't want to P news were discussing it. Even more on time, story, voice. No.
But Magic, one can for broken heart story. Broken heart.
No, I don't. What is broken heart? I'm in my door for broken heart.
Oh, but can't you be not chest me?
No,
No,
the present. No, that boy he has a mental problem. What is broken heart? No, Sika, what is broken heart?
Hey.
On nobody.
Oh, there be you know how would off be one. Why are there? Why are them? Why show? Why jail? All of a sudden because who does so quite dinimu. Now all of a sudden
how broken heart you are or broken heart how do you behave? But the moon.
See them my boy your behavior something.
No, they said broken heart too much. Then they behave there, them behavior the moon. I mean
now be broken heart.
No,
any form of broken heart.
Couple of times time yes your five girlfriends are it be a normal argument in J and then they be a girl who be I mean me girl my first guy Michelle no all do be nim J okafa
now when I broken heart
oh and you the broken heart too oh yeah there because as we are growing you know it be our first relationship back home and you get an to about 4 or 5 years
yeah
then all of a sudden you come another guy I feel another guy no was kind so no want it
oh it's not me most times say I'm let me chip in this. Let me chip in. Most times I work at them, I don't really agree with you. We grow, and then it gets to a point we feel that we deserve this because sometimes when some people are growing and they don't really know exactly what they want, so they are testing waters. So maybe they test this. Bible na so no see answer honhom hwe. Into in this case no also so honhom na hwe. And they test oh maybe this guy I like how the vibe is my yaman the way anyama na ade newa na ebia na osa o ma me fa won see no parking na me no be move on. It's not necessarily there we show be always scar.
Oh you know Oshia guy mu am to am mu do Oshia guy no. O full the guy have started spending on her. Why but okay them no who don't know yeah wrong move but at that time unto me sanu mba wechi bi
but so tried over back
oh you don't try over back but na back na boy no call one area na after presence back who no boy no so nyam for after
now obi call one na na
no what with that now me wife dey pa mo call for obi one and two for be for fresh one.
But I want banner there, but don't be careful. I don't be freedom.
Remember,
I want the woman if we hear one. You, I don't want to say your matter.
It's a work broken heart. Nisha no, obey you, but
it's
I'm that kind of person. If we decided there, let this go.
You let it go.
No, uncle. Then I move on.
Okay.
I don't want. So if I say let it go, let's say baby, I don't like it because there. May imagine it photo. So I want to focus on ABR. Because share different guy. We want to focus on Besia for now. I can answer. And I'm that type, but ABR be me o makoshi de mosun. No. I don't.
Maybe another guy on share that.
Oh yeah, I know. And I'll be see o first girl in Nan to be 4 or 5 years yesterday. And penal. No nti. I would be obey your kaka. How about you guys started there what tonight? Where you man kiti baby. You maybe no yemo, you maybe o say yemo nti.
Yeah.
But the question be say fu be for the what's the shower je nya papa.
Okay.
And the man when they say e je a na bo the say na you so ha no no I don't say anything. So from broken heart today no.
So it's some no mental problem.
Or mental problem.
So on check na.
Or ko check na adwunu or mental problem.
Be feelings lady.
Oh that be but no I won't put our university. Miss girls PD.
Oh.
Invest about 4 or 5 girlfriends.
Maybe on to them.
No.
On to them.
Some mental problem. Although
at somebody case, because
counselors
heart, no, but I'm so break
because school counselors were in a casa, but still.
Oh, this is the why fine. I saw a video of him leaving campus, Norwich. I think he has to go home.
I'm superstar.
Yeah. That was canon.
I'm a superstar.
So that's it. Since I bring up this conversation, maybe somebody. So let me ask you, working hard, it be actual that.
No.
Hey, in town, everyone should I
don't really be into relationship.
Hit and run.
So I don't really know.
Hey, hit and run.
Like offending. breaking artists.
So that's it.
I want to saw until the moon.
I don't do it around.
I am has never been in a relationship until
no, I'm not that good
like,
into
or should I
deep
stay in
relationship
it for long?
I'm in long distance relationship. You see, I'm in long distance relationship. So I don't really.
Magic then there be our problem.
That's your problem.
That's the more showing now. Honestly, what can be problem?
I'm in relationship, but not that close. Like long distance.
Okay.
So I don't really feel.
Long distance.
I don't like girls around me. Like my girlfriend living around me. No, I don't.
I'll put it again and tackle.
But
the link up to there, it's always common. So.
Yeah, so that was just by the way. I know my show. The Nina saw it down.
This is one thing I want to address. I think it stinks. Open about. I saw. Then there was a video online about Reverend Buffalo. Okay. Insulting.
You're not so fair.
Yeah.
Someone even said that you're not so for Ghana. No, most of them, when you beef, will beef within themselves, some person rappers.
This is how I believe you are seen baby. And I think.
So for preacher.
Oh no, we have to.
Hallelujah.
We have to learn. Or they say answer.
Okay.
Yeah. You see, and I think it stinks. For Reverend number 4 to stand on a pulpit
in the house
to
of the
insult
Lord.
your fellow pastor. I want to say you're a senior man.
Yeah.
To insult him. I think I've watched Prophet Odro preaching. It's like about maybe I'm a drag is shown, but this thing, I think we have to address this issue, and it's very important. Christians. So I don't like always people mocking Christians or true Christians. Maybe I know what's true Christians. Because of the way Christians didn't behave. And I think it's not right. It's not appropriate. It's not right. I think it's more attractive. More attractive. That's the reason it doesn't. Nothing push me to go to church. I'm telling you. Sometimes I feel like, I feel like no. I'm not better in the church. I feel like sometimes I feel like going to church, but sometimes I feel no. I don't feel like maybe a case of 1 year. Then I don't feel like going to church. I think
most of the time, what's the Orthodox churches now?
I watch. Me share any preaching no.
Prophet
Odro. Or Obino Okate. Asama. Or
taken out of context.
No, taken out of context. Or Asama. Me share
full video.
No, in full video. Sorry, guy. Above on the video no. Or discussion today. Ni TV discussion there on your puppet. Okay. But ne on no to go there na associate pastors not no.
Okay.
No make it statement there. Arabo na ebo no. Na dan kasa otena what hwe age. Or hwe bank account. Or hwe what. Or hwe japade or wana. Na odwin the wiase dey eba ado edenyen dey ode ehwe fame ne sika. So etne wiase na kade edwin nyamusomo a kwa heaven there. You are doing a very big mistake. Ado wiase ode hwehwa sika ne fame. Na very could be ebia also am the who video no show no video who a discussion online.
Prophet Odro
who online no so up the pop all preach the sermon offered them Sunday the day. We are na ye wono men chire wo som nyankopon na after e wono atembu homo he never insulted the guy one shana roba.
Okay, one body din one
shana roba. But the only thing in the asma guy in the can there if certain we are seeing now when you mean imponent say ka we are seeing na ye wono hweska na hwehwe fame man dwen kwana ba for the heaven no there it is wrong.
And I say magic the man say the may there shall one can say your boy for there
no but the man the man never insulted him.
Okay.
So if
even though indirectly he was referring to Asama Oken
because no Theo in the first place nyamini pa you call yourself man of God a preach nkwofu Theo you have a lot of followers. Nti say I'll be very disappointed there. Will be better now. And the so will be better now. And they be ejuma entertainment ejuma yeah. I'll be very disappointed. Will be better now. But this ejuma na yeah no. Though ejuma but down for them because ebi no so won ejuma where you did one. Hence say nobody obi am pede ejuma where no. So so for na better na kade so for na kade we asem we. Dwene japade ho na dwene fame ho ana dwene sika ho man dwene kwa na be for do a be ko heaven then what are you Bible na waso waka
Yeah.
so ka okay sika nkuti na ahonya de nkuti na sanka ono de na nka obi alo nsom nyankopon epe men ko chapo men ko be bia pesika guo na di na ewa na che ewu na ekọ nto no odo wo disappointed ni sofo na nyamini mpa na tum TV do ekada masam no ana oni sermon no oyi o preach de no for ho mo nyankopon sua Bible na for ho mo nyankopon na after one atembu wo homo yes men kire ho in made an emphasis bebre about the Christian dey lead your life I get me nti I'm who reason why ntia obi to etum ka kire o fellow pastor or a dog or a gay lot of insults or a boy or a kwase onim nyansa those kind of things and I think it is wrong and I think it stinks upon to a fellow pastors and I think they should stop that thing I don't know why you know this is what may believe it or no antichrist and I'm telling you
and no coronavirus also then no abeshe
one more the whole clear there this yehu apapa na abodan for I think for me I think it is wrong them asofo okuma dey why them adam they should stop that thing other way no ogunyam so no mas too much
okay until the asofo na why them adam magic so no observations are why making no so or the catch on okay yeah, the messages in the also. So big shouts to all of you guys watching. Mark still right there. I wanna mark up and then we make Canada ma. Oh, when you tell once one pause no be so funny them bra. Aye, because one in a mark and also elements being what's the adate Accra but a bit tardy boy. Okay, and the tardy boy is now in our hustle. I can in a young one. Aye, God bless your hustle. And also elements now so we what's it the entertaining pastors always need attention. So you can forget them. Okay, yeah. Or no, I cannot by the way or betray market. I want that the way I make a show no why not be because it's important. It's going on. You can't turn a blind eye there. To me, young one there. Oh, I don't know cuddle. Why they gay and homosexual? I don't cuddle, but I don't know cuddle. So we can't just sit down and then just fold our arms and say there. Oh, yeah, young one there. We don't care. It's going on, and it's. This is why bad. This is a time. And to know these men of God, and I think on the BBR know your ranks. They know how we are painful. It's a painful on one channel. They should put the money to order because it's not nice. Why the Christopher no one watch Kadena. Even our leaders now, the people who are supposed to lead us spiritually, in our spiritual journey, now on Uncle so what and one who they are fighting against themselves. Why the more you fight? The more fighting between pastors or men of God, it's been going on. This is not the first time. Yet archer because if me crampono, me shada, me shada anye you be other, but then me be archer, watcher or starty archer. That's what I'm trying to say. Or starty archer even from a palm bonum time. Even before palm bonum crampo, there were other. For be our night there,
Christian Love now this man Mania Owi no musician
that man Mobo
Michael and Sebons they were having issues spiritually they're having issues I want gospel fraternity now so one of our reverend ministers pastors they are fighting themselves I don't know the reason why
I think it's about time
I don't know the reason why
it's about time
I hardly part of it malam na malam bi woloku and they shake bi woloku
even in full camp sometimes they work
together I mean the Muslim imam bi na oni imam bi woloku radio dan TV do gidi he say akasema you so no Muslims don't do that why Christians alone
yeah into no onya the papa and then I there and then some baba can ebo ho no asofo ni bi wom dada until no am e so baba kan ho but then the time no record so quickly no you share video be about Akwaboa saying something of prophecy be obey there pastor Nika there obi we say be a curse no they say aboni dua amen kan da wa aboni dua wodi su wada aboni dua oyo so wadi golo wala ni musukura american only be what happened. Jama this about out of Abeka. But then over the years, no, you have to sit to the Muslim baby suffer for and then now work a prophecy for what's a prophecy be about a celebrity, the mustai, the musician. I don't know if or yeah intentional or intentional or some agenda be some pastors nibi and some prophets nibi no or some men of God nibi what should I set up? They are trying to, I don't know, they are sometimes I don't really know what it is that they want. Sometimes I've been more or you're fine or you're true and also they be I mean we were not there when they revealed whatever that it was to them. But we have faith. We all believe in something. Adam imagine our element me engine our Solomon element me engine. But then what be so be now magic and one kwabwa.
Yeah, me
at the story now. It's been trending, I think from last week.
Me sure that me follow it.
Yeah. What's the baby abonidia?
What's it? Suffer baby abonidia. Ako church.
No.
Suffer nanga.
Suffer nanga. And that's you understand? They don't have to even go to the church for the pastors or these prophets to say whatever that they have to for them to them. But then it was social media. We hold the preacher no work as someone no video now viral. When the share one call. No, sir, asam no be chi and son or local church. But asam no be asam no say no church.
Akwaba minim there or a very good Christian.
Yeah.
Obo drums
in
instrumentalists for church. And I think say bibi baba dem pa no suffer down. Church no kono yejumo hono.
Yeah, I think he made that statement there. Ne suffer that was 2019 October one. Na no suffer church no.
The bisi abonidia.
And the way who bibi them ama wo bom pay afa ho.
Na kwa wana nkasa oyede no bisi no bonidia.
What's the video that what's that on you obi ahwe.
Funny.
On you obi ahwe but magic mpede ye share these prophets in any artists, any stars, any celebrities over here. Do you think that like it's about time that someone put them to order now? Be one man. If no one somehow okay can who or yeah either what the fear and panic
I think Sika nka with my shambrebi wo kroma hade a nka find the say so for say e sham come na be man that what you go another church no closing down
radical
one more 600 lashes.
600 lashes.
I'm telling you. 600 lashes.
That's magic.
After that, no.
So after that, I survive.
And you to make a no. Because I think they have to, or they what can they in place a stiffer punishment for corruption so far. I'm a fake professor. I have corruption. I corrupt. Because they control.
Okay.
But them baby but almost stiffer punishment to them yaman. Although the worker is soon mad, but still put fear and panic on that person. Because say I was getting nowadays, so for bishop comes here there. Then you start the drinking. Oh, do I no say until they be who say in your self confidence because I when man suffer we can wash am come away and the way Edward you know they want there the thing that
I don't quite be affect what they in a way what can I don't know can what them
Aboni and then old baby no na manu chole kade I gonna for you na ekunu you have killed a girl old baby na me ne ya old baby some ne ya but so no me ya because anu ya odisi ho asam oba kanu it will come to pass. So for me I think that we have to get mbrebi law bia say if a bia a sofu a religious leader eshem koma na sem kom no abema they have to deal with you drastically in a serious manner a set example to other colleague prophets and their colleague pastors they don't say ehun ade na pefe ehun ni feeling don't say it because e can so abema they will deal with you they will ship you.
Okay.
We do go watch so for be why they will go no beguma. I think them say nyama na because you can't enter into one and use wagon. Ewa Go what no use one mind when I dream na what we use to the I wanna Uzbemba. Otum obetina wa mind games nkotin na mood play. Mind games nkotin. Asofo bebre mind games nkotin na play. Otum ehun de chief man bonya 90 years on chebebo and be them na asham come there chief man ahwe man so na moyi. No be aba shatawale obewu no shatawale so na moyi. Kwame Eugene so wani nti Kwame Eugene no boy si okwa abochi okoye worship even for dance ohwe kid ni worship okoye worship nti Yankopon ndo na oh let's be serious in this country no nti Yankopon ndo na worship ya na say oye ya okwa viral and people am look at atonyamonyum ankobobo pa atonyam nti adwene dem worship ya oye ya Other tuntum Yankopon. Every day, on Yankopon fewa. The book couldn't feel just like that. So I think we have to be serious in this country. Now, so for no Kumade, now watch some come rough, but no, as someone can say, if you saw no crow, then they are saying it. So I think they should stop that thing and the government or then abandoning Sifum. Now, Osham baby, just say there, say, Nimness, Sofo, let's say Esham come. Next time come on Bema, we have to deal with you.
Okay, yeah. On a magic so ne opinion on us woman. Salasi, you are always with artists. There be any artists now and know your promo nade. So how do you feel? How do you think these artists know or they feel when such prophecies
prophecy, comes out? Okay, me particularly, more than like on a wrong move from them. Okay, and this is a time for music to sit down with your friend and Christian council to talk about a certain issues that okay, if anyone did be about Obia, you don't just need to come online or get yourself a blogger to do or to write about it. The person or management, you see that then or mommy or papa for like you can get interact with those people. Radio stations for PMO or Sangofomo number. Get close to them and tell them that okay, this is what is happening or this is what is about to happen. But you don't just come on online and come and say it to just get a trend, even if it's true.
So from what you are saying, you have a problem with how they deliver the message.
I have a problem with it. I have a problem because I see Christian Council, they are not doing anything about it because already Christians see this our showbiz as something which is evil. Okay, so they always say that okay, artists or belongs to a cult. That's what they keep on saying. They said same thing about how they call it, Ebony. Yeah. Shatawale to new professor, so he belongs to a occultic, group. So you will die. I was like, no, onye. So I think it's time for music to gather the artists together and do what and face Christian, how do you call it, union. You see that then? Yeah, they need to face them and set something for them. Oh, we don't need this in our industry. Because if what happens, so it seems like I'm a Yanipano feel free. You see, music are a company or its own, and artists are under. So if you keep on, coming out and tell artists that okay, this is what will happen to you mentally. I'm not a problem.
And affects their work.
Some can even go on drugs for how to even speak about them.
Depression,
action, anxiety, So we need to know how we address these people. You don't just come online, get their managers, or a wrong move from our pastors. No. I won't be. I be about be spiritual.
So do you think it's about time maybe the authority
Yeah, I think the media should talk about this. They should set a rule, regulation over to me and like over to me I clear this thing out. It's not healthy for our showbiz.
I say media even though we all know that media is powerful, in the end, the authorities was setting and they make sure that this thing is.
Oh, I can't say no God. It's not good. It's not good. Even so, I saw company can or company. Yeah, it shouldn't come online.
Okay.
On your online. On your back. So me, that's what I say about the whole thing. It's not good for our showbiz. No. They should leave our showbiz alone, even if it's evil or not. We love it, sir. Hey,
at the end of your cry, your penny, Sarah. Hey, Sarah. So anyway, so me check out, but me feeling the vibes in there, I don't know. So yeah, all too soon, any time, no, why I'm very proud, any time, no, going the discussions, no, why why fire, why entertaining, you know, it's been exciting, it's been feisty, and then we thank you for making time and then watching us, sending your comments and your contributions and liking our page, liking this video, and also sharing and also tagging your friends. And what I think I have some a couple of messages here. Okay, Nepson Jr., you're watching us from Accra, from the Greater Accra region, from the capital, yeah. And big shout outs to you. Also, great show. Keep it going. Yeah, thank you for watching. And Elements also today. I really enjoyed the show, pal. Yeah, so if you enjoy this show, like we all do, no, keep on watching, keep tagging your friends, and then keep sharing. And also set your notifications, because sometimes when I send a message, oh, me see you, so Showbiz buzz. Me say what notification? I are setting ye. 8 o'clock. Bang. No. A message fast now, also share now I send no message and we also read them. Now conversation and they are having it's still ongoing. You can still get interactive with us on our social media platforms that are JGAT, on Instagram, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. And most importantly, go on our YouTube channel and go and subscribe if you haven't done that. But if you have, share the link with a friend. Tell a friend to also go and check us out, and also like our pages and everything. BBR entertain just dear near that. Now I say now, Mr. Pedami rapper. Magic, Mr. Pedam, we went to dance. I said I met a part of one. Hey, wow, go, I'm dear pan. Men try. Oh, denta. Men try. Esha, I'm to me. I want my baby a dancer queen in Ghana from Takwadi, and I want Jimindi. I want send me positive vibes. Now I'm doing way because this year I'm doing for you guys. So if you don't push me, I'll just lay back and then. Magic, here show no. What last words? Uncle, what shout out to you? And no be ending the birthday. Well, yeah, birthday one only it will come when I'm wrapping up.
I think IDS TV you have come to stay.
Yeah, we have.
You have come to stay, and normally one share. I'm poor one share. One share.
Hashtag one share.
One share na page on Kosoro. And I think Ghana had you have to be serious. Oh, Ampo, you have to be serious about certain things. We don't hear coronavirus. Some for me said coronavirus.
Yeah, so I have a video for you guys. And you know I love you guys. Like I love my viewers. I love those who subscribe and all that. I love you guys. So I have this special video for you. So may wrap up here. Don't be in a hurry to just exit. Just wait. I have this video for you, or a special video. So just I will tell you could wrap it up. I'm because we are video no, but what I bet so I won't fear todo. You don't know what is going on.
You have to be serious in this country. Oh, I'm telling you the truth. You play too much, and OCC in even big countries crampo good facility crampo and Ghana had it. So for be about on oil or you see child's play. See them so video make her watching no go na maka one. Watch no go no.
And then the increase. So let's shout out to your last words and let's wrap up.
Shout out to everyone that follows me on Facebook and our viewers.
One controversial guy on Facebook, man.
Sure. Everyone that follows, IDS GH. Our viewers, thanks to them for watching us. Yeah, shout out goes to everyone who is watching.
Shout outs to you all, shout out. Shout outs and shout out to you. Me used to shout out any green gonewa. All those shout outs to my green. But make sure that my special fans to be one of the number that I one watch out. New single from the camp of Sika Nation. Magic, say we have a manager.
Every manager.
Now I am a promoter.
Can you do this?
You see,
can you do that?
Industry no more sense.
Oh, I'm a manager. Be said I will date you. Another day.
Oh yeah. Headline bloggers. Yamo news so headline pie. Men call for me was still there. How when they know at Japan, somebody came. Brad said, "I'll see you, Mataya Staffo." When they know at Japan, now big shout outs to you guys. You always make this program a success. We thank you. And also, big shout outs to everyone celebrating his or her birthday. Saying him there's a birthday now for them on your somewhere, just send me a message. Or send us a message on Facebook now. At Sika Woman. Say Facebook store at Twitter at Miss Woman, Instagram at Miss Woman. You just send me a message, I'll shout you out, and even if it's your friends or your loved ones, I'll do that. Now, quickly, a big happy birthday going out to our first lady. The first lady of the land, yes, of the Republic of Ghana, Her Excellency Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo. Yeah, you turned 69 years today, and we bless God for your life. Yes, and happy birthday to you, mommy. My Erishayan, in there, royal ladies, Nebishe, MPP royal ladies, I was show. My been or how was sending a message now, so yeah, happy birthday. I want send mommy video, Cheyenne. Happy birthday to her. We wish her all the best in Nenda Waka Wasasi Dunina. Now, thank you also for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Big shout outs to Kojo Freestyle, to Nanama, to Team Ideas. I want all of you out there. Big shout outs to you all. Thank you for watching. Question Kruma today. I didn't see you. I hope to see you on Saturday. Now Saturday, Yoruba, yeah, the fire near there, but to them ended the we are showing on diet. But then hold on, don't exit yet. I have a video for you. It's the video of the day. Our video of the day. Now after every show, I'll give you a video of the day so that you also laugh. I will show now, so as naturally. And your balanced diet time, So yeah, my name is Sika Woman. Check me out on Instagram and also on Twitter at Miss Woman, also on Facebook at Sika Woman. Now see you on Saturday. Make sure you wash your hands so the coronavirus is real.
Everybody, tell everybody that the news is fake. Ubinim has come out. Ubinim has come out that the fake is news.